Okay, so we'll move on to our next experiment. So in your paper, it's actually now on page 2, and we're going to build a magnetic pyramid, and we're going to use what we just talked about, and you guys get a chance to explore when we put multiple magnets and the north-south pole, how they retract and repel each other. So you guys will get to experiment and explore those things. So we have the 6 dowels, okay? And then we're going to use Play-Doh. You guys know it's been a long time since I've got to play with Play-Doh, so I'm going to have a little bit of fun as well. What you want to do is you can build it however you want, but if you want to build or break these up into four pieces, and however you want to do it, if you want to roll it up into a ball, doesn't really matter. And then we're going to build a pyramid with our dowels. So again, you guys can do this however you want. If you need some supervision or some help from an adult, that would be great. This is how I do it. I'm just going to start with the base. And again, it's been a long time since I got to play with Play-Doh, so. And you don't have to get it in there super tight. It's just got to stick and hold for a second. And then, now we'll build our sides. This is kind of the tricky part. And if it's not square or perfectly triangle, don't worry about it. Okay, now that we got our pyramid built, we're actually going to use the string that came in your kit, and then also the donut magnet. First, you want to just tie the donut magnet on, just one knot's fine. If you want to double knot it, you can. And we're going to hang this magnet, and you can hang it as high as you want. This is what you can experiment and explore with. I'm going to put mine just a couple inches off the ground. If you want to tie it, you can, or just wrap it around a few times in the Play-Doh, and it should hold it. Okay, so here's where you guys get to explore. Again, we're going to use the bar magnets. Be very careful. They're pretty strong. So here's a couple things you can do. You can use these. Try to not to touch the magnets together, and let's just play with it. Explore just different ways to move it. You can even go like this. Sometimes if you put that one there, depending on how high you put your magnet, we can swing it back and forth. As you can see, it's spinning. That's because once it gets to the like poles, they're retracting each other, and that's how it spins the magnet. So again, just play with it. This is your chance to explore and experiment, put the rope up higher. Here's another thing, they actually call this the jitters. We can put these magnets here and just watch the magnet go crazy. It's got the jitters, right? So again, this is a chance for you guys to explore, experiment, and just do different things with the magnet.